Hello, Muskies. I don't know if you're like me, you may have found yourself in science class sitting there one day and all of a sudden become horrified that you can't remember the difference between physical and chemical changes. If this has ever happened to you, I hope this video can help you out of your predicament. So here we have a table, and our table will help us compare the difference between physical and chemical changes. First, as far as a physical change goes, the change doesn't create a new type of matter. There is no change in the chemical composition. Physical changes are usually reversible. New products are not formed, and as we'll learn, products are what comes as a result of a chemical reaction, and as a result the chemical bonds are not changed. And so some examples of this are melting, boiling, freezing, where the state of matter is changing but the matter itself is not. In contrast, we have our chemical changes, and for the chemical changes we usually do have a change in the chemical composition. These are usually irreversible, meaning it's virtually impossible to undo them. New products are formed. There is a change usually in the temperature, and in a later lesson we'll talk about endothermic versus exothermic reactions, and the chemical bonds are changed. And so an example of this could be just combustion, something that's burning. And right here we have some common chemical reactions in everyday life. Might help with your remembering what chemical reactions are all about, or the products. We have rust, photosynthesis, combustion, there's our burning, digestion, all of us when we eat, chemical reactions going on inside of us, anaerobic respiration, and anytime we cook. These are all common chemical reactions in everyday life. Hope this video helps. Remember to have a version of the chart that we had at the beginning of the video in your science notebook, along with some colorful images.